Have you updated your Instagram app? The new Instagram update brings a new feature for posting simultaneously on Instagram and Threads. So update your Instagram because we're about to begin. Now I will share a photo using the standard procedure. Press the plus button on the bottom line of the screen. Then select a photo from your phone gallery and press Next. Here you can further edit the photo and add some effects. I will skip that this time. And this is the key moment when it comes to simultaneously sharing posts on Instagram and Threads. Scroll to the bottom of the page. There you will see the Also Posted section, and within it, the Share to Threads option. To share the post simultaneously on the Threads app, you need to click the button next to it. After that, a window like this will open. If you want to expand your reach on Threads, you can enable Always Share Posts, which means your posts will always be published on both networks. If you don't want that, press the Only Share This Post button. And that's it. As you can see, the post has been published on Instagram. Now I will close Instagram and open the Threads app. I will refresh the page. And as you can see, the photo has been posted on my Threads account as well. This concludes our tutorial. We hope you like our content. For more tutorials, check out our channel and be sure to subscribe for more digital tips.